Ever feel like your Dyson Supersonic has suddenly developed a moody teenager phase? One second it's a high-tech hurricane, the next, absolute silence. You give the cord a little magic wiggle, it roars back to life, and you think, is my hair dryer haunted? So what's actually happening under that sleek casing? Think of your Dyson's power cord like a professional athlete. It's built for performance, but even the best can get fatigue. The Supersonic pulls a lot of power. It's a beast because we're constantly rotating and flipping the dryer to catch those angles. Over time, these tiny wires inside the thick sleeve start to fray or snap. But don't keep doing the cord wiggle. Forcing it can lead to a total short circuit, or worse, a literal spark in your hand. Not the kind of glow up we want, right? Tips for now? To prolong the life of your cord, never wrap it tightly around the handle. Use the hanging loop. And always keep your filter clean. A clogged filter makes the motor work harder, generating more heat that can stress the internal components. But here's the truth. Attempting a DIY surgery on a Dyson is like trying to fix a Swiss watch with a hammer. These machines are packed with sensors and microscopic screws. Why deal with the headache and the risk of misdiagnosis? At RoboCare, we don't do guesses, we do precision. When you choose RoboCare, you're not just getting a repair, you're getting peace of mind. We use genuine parts and professional techniques that maintain the integrity of your Dyson. Check out this result. No more wiggling, no more stuttering, and zero magic rituals required. Just smooth, consistent power, exactly like the day you unboxed it. Stop the struggle. Send your Dyson to RoboCare today, and let's get your blowout back on track. Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair.